Wood has been a popular choice for furniture for centuries due to its numerous advantages and qualities, which include durability, versatility, aesthetic appeal, sustainability, stability, and repairability, among others. Hundreds of thousands of beautiful wood furniture and wooden decorative items are produced each day. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of beautiful contemporary wood furniture ideas you can consider making for your home decor or for sale. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Dear viewer, if you remember a few videos back, we have started comparing wood as a furniture material with other trending materials. Today we will tell you some of the reasons which made wood the #1 furniture material, and then tell you some facts about glass use in furniture. The characteristics of wood include: number 1, durability. Wood is a durable and long-lasting material, making it ideal for furniture that is meant to withstand daily use and wear. Number 2, versatility. Wood can be easily shaped, carved, and crafted into a wide variety of furniture designs, from simple stools to intricate cabinets. Number 3, aesthetic appeal. Wood has a natural beauty and warmth that adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to furniture pieces. Different wood species offer unique grain patterns, colors, and textures that can enhance the overall look of the furniture. Number 4, sustainability. Wood is a renewable resource when harvested responsibly from well-managed forests. Many furniture manufacturers prioritize using sustainably sourced wood to minimize environmental impact. Number 5, stability. Wood is a stable material that can withstand changes in temperature and humidity, making it less prone to warping or cracking compared to other materials. Number 6, repairability. Wood furniture can be easily repaired and refinished if damaged or worn, extending its lifespan and maintaining its appearance over time. Are you enjoying our content? We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us to grow our channel and give you more content in return. Getting back to the characteristics of wood, at number 7 we have timelessness. Wood furniture has a timeless quality that transcends trends and fads, making it a classic choice for both traditional and modern interiors. Overall, the natural beauty, durability, versatility, and sustainability of wood make it a preferred material for furniture construction, providing both functional and aesthetic benefits for homeowners and designers alike. Now let's talk about the characteristics of glass as a furniture material. Glass is another material that has gained popularity in the furniture industry, offering a unique blend of visual appeal and practical functionality. One of the primary advantages of glass furniture is its elegant, sophisticated aesthetic. The transparent nature of glass allows it to seamlessly integrate into a wide range of interior design styles, from modern and minimalist to traditional and ornate. Glass tabletops in particular can create a sense of lightness and airiness, making a room feel more open and spacious. In addition to its visual appeal, glass furniture can also be highly durable and long-lasting, especially when tempered or reinforced with other materials. Properly maintained, a glass tabletop or shelving unit can withstand the rigors of daily use for many years, making it a practical choice for high-traffic areas. Another benefit of glass furniture is its adaptability. Glass can be easily shaped, cut and combined with other materials such as wood or metal to create a wide range of designs and functional pieces. This versatility allows for the creation of truly unique and customized furniture that can be tailored to the specific needs and preferences of the user. However, glass furniture also has its drawbacks. One of the primary concerns is the risk of breakage, particularly with heavy or frequent use. While tempered glass is significantly more resistant to shattering, it can still be prone to cracks or chips, which can compromise the structural integrity of the piece. Additionally, glass furniture may require more diligent maintenance and cleaning to keep it looking its best, as it can be prone to water spots, smudges and other visible marks. This may be a consideration for those who prefer a low-maintenance furniture option. Now let's characterize glass with regard to the features we previously mentioned for wood. Number 1. Aesthetic appeal. Glass has a sleek, modern look that can create a sense of openness and lightness in a space. It can also reflect light, making rooms appear brighter and more spacious. Number 2. Durability. Glass is more susceptible to scratches, chips and cracks, making it less durable than wood for certain types of furniture. Number 3. Maintenance. Glass furniture is easy to clean with a glass cleaner or soapy water, but it may show fingerprints and smudges more easily than wood. Number 4. Versatility. Glass is a versatile material in terms of design possibilities, offering a modern and minimalist aesthetic that can complement various interior styles. Number 5. Stability. Glass is stable but can be more susceptible to breakage if exposed to impact or extreme temperature change. Number 6. Sustainability. Glass is recyclable, but the production process can have environmental impacts due to energy consumption and emissions. Well, reviewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked beautiful contemporary wood furniture ideas you can consider making for your home decor or for sale. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.